You want to learn how to get reviews on Google? Then watch this video. Hey, welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. My name is Amanda and I help small business owners get on page 1 of Google so you can get more clients into your business. So if you want to know when I post more awesome videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. So the first step on how to get reviews on Google is you must have a Google My Business listing. So if you already have a Google My Business listing, let me know in the comments below, how many reviews do you already have? If you want to learn more about how to set up your Google My Business listing, make sure you join my free Facebook group where I teach small business owners like yourself how to get on page 1 of Google search. I'll put a link to the group down in the description below. Second thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need the link for your review page. So we're gonna head over to whitespark.ca. I'll drop the link down below the video. All you gotta do is put your business name in the box, hit the button, and it will generate the link for you. So copy that link and save it in a note or somewhere that you can reference to anytime. This is the link you're gonna wanna give your customers so that they can leave you a review without having to think about it. So the most obvious way to get reviews on Google is to ask your happy clients or customers to leave you a review. So if you deliver your product or service in person after you've given them an exceptional experience, make sure you ask them, hey, would you mind leaving me a review on Google so that more people can find my business? Literally any reason why will increase the likelihood that they will leave you a review. Then you can simply email or text them the link that we just generated. If you're going the email route, there are some softwares out there that you can use to automate this process. And if you join my free Facebook group, I also have email templates that you can use to send to your clients and customers. Now, I know that sounds a pretty basic way to get reviews on Google, but let me assure you that is the #1 best way, that is the most authentic and actually quite easy. Now there are a few other ways that you can get reviews, and these would be like paying for automated softwares that get reviews. As well, you can join Facebook groups and Reddit groups where other business owners will exchange reviews with you. Now, it definitely takes a lot more work to go that route, and I personally don't recommend it because it's less authentic, but you can send an email out to your past customers, make sure they're happy customers, or even a message on your Facebook profile. But there's one thing to keep in mind here. If you do solicit for reviews on a mass scale like this, there's the potential to get a surge of reviews all at once, which Google will sometimes mark as fake, and that's actually going to damage you in the long run. So the best way still remains to ask a happy customer right after you've delivered. Now, I want to leave you off with one really big tip. When you do start getting reviews, it's important that you respond to them no matter what rating they give you. And it's important to respond in a professional way because that's how your future customers or clients are going to perceive your business. So if you get an authentic bad review, make sure you acknowledge the fault and what you're doing to improve. If you get a fake bad review, do not attack that person or call them out on being fake. Simply acknowledge the review and ask them to contact you to resolve the issue. While it won't remove the bad review, don't worry because your future customers will respect the way that you handle them professionally. Well, now that you know how to get reviews on Google, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to join my free Facebook group. The link is down in the description below. We'll help you get ranked on page #1 of Google. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you on the next video.